Hi guys, Carl Eriksson from Svenska Elektrod here. I'm sitting working for a welding school right now, looking at a layout of their facility. And I figured, it might be interesting for you guys to see how it could look when combining an augmented training lab with Soldamatic simulators together with a conventional welding lab. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what it looks like. Um, we have the facility here, which is split in two, where you have an augmented lab unit comprised of 5 different simulation setups, together with a big screen on the wall for the teacher to be able to connect one of the 2 simulators on the screen to show the rest of the students. And then next door we have the actual conventional welding lab. So the students can sit at their desks with their simulators, and then once they've done the training task or exercise, they can actually go out directly into the welding lab and work on their project or whatever they're going to do. And then vice versa, they've been standing in the welding lab, working in one of their units, then going back to the simulator to actually train and make sure that they enhance that skill that they're lacking currently. This is one setup. This could be done. This particular setup is designed to withstand 30 students with an annual workload of 500 hours per student in the welding lab. So 5 simulators, 5 welding booths. This is what it could look like. Hope it's interesting, and it's been interesting for you guys to see. If you like these kinds of videos where we go through what we've been doing, and if you find it interesting, please drop me an email and I can send you more. Have a good one. Bye.